guys, I just froze for a moment. But today we are at the Science and Nature Science Museum.
In Denver.
Yeah, in Denver. And before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
What is this thing going on here?
It's something like
Whoa!
snow mastodon.
Snow mastodon.
It's hollow. I think somebody lives in it.
Nice. What do you think, Ira?
I think somebody lives in the head and body.
You guys want to take the kids inside and show them the museum?
Yeah.
Let's go.
We'll be right back. Hey guys, so we're back, and guess what? Right when we walked in, look what we found. I've been waiting to see one, and that's the first thing I see. It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. And my friend told me about them, and they have golden teeth.
Do you guys think this is the real size that they were
Uh-huh.
back how many years ago? Like probably like 10 years ago? when
These
they were
are,
around?
that's a real dinosaur.
Oh,
Like, just dirty.
66 million years ago.
Oh, so 10 is not this
It's
correct,
a real
but it's close.
dinosaur. Guys, it's a
66.
real, no, it would be like,
Wow.
it would be this much bigger, because the skin.
Oh yeah, totally, yeah.
So Dad, it's
Do
a
they have
real,
ears?
It's a real dinosaur. No.
It is? Should we run? I'm scared.
No, it's just it's dead.
Look,
And
he's got a cool plaque, right?
it's so dirty though. They painted him.
Oh, right, yeah, it's painted.
Yeah, it's painted. Oh, look at that's look at it's a water dinosaur right there.
Where? Oh, hanging? Yeah,
It's
nice.
a water dinosaur. They swim in the water and then they can jump up and fly.
Very cool. Well, you guys want to go get tickets?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Look, guys, we got the tickets to Willy Wonka's factory.
Willy Wonka's Science Museum.
Yeah.
All
No,
right.
we're just joking.
You guys go in the museum. I'm going to just be at the gift shop all day.
No.
All right.
Okay, we're gonna see you there. I got my favorite dinosaur.
What do you have? Oh, it's a landscape?
It's my
It's a
favorite.
triceratops.
It's a Triceratops, my favorite dinosaur.
Oh, you want to say anything nice?
I got
Awesome.
it. Thank
Oh,
you.
yours is like a UFO, right?
It's a Saturn with a UFO and some stars. And I got my favorite dinosaur.
Nice.
Come on, guys.
Very cool,
Let's
guys.
escalate. We want to bring you up this. It's really fun. Would you pretend to walk down? Come on, let's go. I'm gonna just walk down.
Cafeteria.
Let's see how fast I can go. And look at tickles. Hey guys. It tickles, guys. Guys, it tickles. It tickles.
It's always rubbing on the back of your leg.
You guys don't want to step on that. Whoa. What are these weird? What are these?
Oh, nice. Out of the frying pan. You want me to read it to you?
No.
To the
No,
thousand-
no, no,
it's
no.
Miner stuff.
No.
It's stuff
What
with
do you
miners.
find your favorite thing? Come on. Close your eyes.
What is it? Tarantulas?
Close your eyes. Now look.
What happened
blood.
here?
You see the blood?
Do we need
on
to?
the?
Do the museum people know about this?
Do we need to? I think we might need to.
See the baby? Do you see the baby?
Look at this one.
Wynnie, do you see the baby?
But do you see him eating the animal? Come on, guys. I want to.
Did you get that at McDonald's?
Yes. Oh, guys. Whoa.
Oh, sorry.
Guys, come here. I found something adorable. Come here. Let's have something. Guys, we're going in the snow place.
Where are we going?
Where all the snow
Wow.
Dad.
No way. These are amazing, right?
And then there's over here. Okay, guys, can I tell you something?
Yes.
Yesterday, we saw a coyote run through the streets
On our house?
on the highway.
Nice.
Oh, see my favorite guys.
Ira, let's look around without the camera for a few minutes. Can you say we'll be back in a minute?
We'll be back in a minute.
We'll go to a different exhibit and come back, okay?
Hey guys, we're back and we need to build that house.
Oh, nice.
Look at, I can actually fit in it.
What'd you pull this out of?
It's kind of like a puzzle.
Yeah, there's like puzzle pieces on it you
Yeah.
can do. That's pretty neat.
We want to build that house.
I think you just broke your house.
But guys, I have to show you something. It's over there that we didn't show you that I think is adorable.
Okay,
Not these.
but those are cute though, right?
Yeah, look at the little one.
Okay. Wynnie, where are you taking us? Talk loud, okay?
Oh my god, guys, look at this. They're eating a fish.
Oh, these are meat.
Whoa.
Are these real? Aren't they adorable? Look at that one, he's hidden. Are they real?
They're not taxidermy, are they?
Yeah, I think so.
Are these real?
I bet.
Yeah, they are. And look at those birds.
Do you guys know what taxidermy is?
What?
Can we have Mom tell us what taxidermy is?
It's where they take animals that are dead and they use chemicals to preserve them. Do you know what preserve means?
No.
It means to keep them the way they are. So they use chemicals. So those were real animals. And then they use chemicals to make them look the same forever.
But they're so adorable.
It's so adorable,
Yeah,
right?
if we found one of these in real life, I would love it.
Did you see the birds up there?
Over here.
This is a wolverine.
It is.
Yeah. Look at his claws.
That's cool. Where's Spider-Man?
I don't know.
I mean, this is the Wolverine,
I think the
right?
bird is Spider-Man.
Oh, right. Yes, it is.
Yeah, that's Spider-Man. Guys, come here. I found another hallway.
Take us away.
What is this?
What do we got? That is adorable.
Rainforest.
Look at this. There's some insects. So cute.
Okay, bye, guys. We'll see you in a minute.
Wait, what's
Okay.
in here? Oh, skunks. I want
Really?
one. I want a pet skunk so
Oh,
bad.
man.
There's a chipmunk and a little orange
Look at that
bird. There's chipmunks.
Bye. Hey guys, we just found this thing that smells good.
What? This says push the button and smell what attracts a doe to a buck. This scent comes from the gland on the
It smells
deer's
so
ankle,
good.
and the stronger the smell, the more desirable the buck. And
It
then you
smells
push
so
the button,
good.
and a smell comes out of your
It
ear, right?
smells so
It
good.
does? You should get cologne that's that smell, right?
Mm.
What's this here then, Ira? Show me this.
Wait. It's fur.
Oh, from a deer. That's cool. What are these? You're supposed to try these on. Look, guys, you try these ears on, and then you hear how they hear, I guess. Try on the mule deer ears and see how they funnel sounds. Hey, Ira, what's it sound like?
What?
Maybe point them towards me, like the ear towards me, to see if it makes it louder.
Okay. You look so funny.
What's it like?
Wait, talk with me. Hello? Oh my god. It's Should I try? Wait, talk. Hello? Like, keep talking fast. It goes like softer,
Can I try?
guys.
It does? You'd think it would go louder, but
Turn it. Go. Turn it.
It goes. Okay. That's cool.
Wynnie,
Guys, hey guys, we're looking at this turd museum over here.
it's a what museum?
Turd museum.
Wait,
So,
what?
It's turds.
Wait, turd museum?
Yeah. So, if we open this, we get to see what makes this turd.
Oh,
And then there's its paw.
is this for
And
real?
then we get to see what's this turd, and this is it, and this is its paw.
Oh my god.
And then we get to see what's under this, and it's this turd, and this is
Wait,
paw.
what is this? Is this baked beans
No,
from
it's
the restaurant?
paw. It's poo. And then
Oh, god.
this is its paw print, and this animal poops this.
Don't we see these all over our land?
Yeah.
Ugh, smell one.
Turd. Doesn't it smell like anything? Maybe it's poo.
It's a, she said it's a turd museum.
Yeah, this is a part of the turd museum.
Ira's getting a big whiff of it. Oh.
How do they smell? Guys, look at where we are. We're in the ancient exhibit.
Oh yeah, we were in wildlife before, right?
Yeah, but look
This
at
is how the skull goes. It goes human, and then it goes half skull, then it goes full skull, then it goes just your
Look at that's a mummy. This is the mummy. It has red eyes.
Wait, is this the turd museum?
No, it's a mummy. It's a mummy. There's a real life mummy in here. Guys, do you think there's a real mummy?
I don't know. We could read here and see.
There's
I
probably.
think they're showing. Oh, this is just the lid to a to a coffin that they did, but they're showing how beautiful it is, all the art,
Mm-hmm.
and it probably this may say some kind of story too. All these little pictures, they might go
do.
together to like maybe say a story of the people's life on
They
them.
do.
3,000 years old.
It says the hieroglyphics say that he was a scribe or a record keeper.
Come here.
That's what the person did.
Guys, I found something. Look at this. That's the replica of when the mummies
Oh my
were
God,
around.
this is so
It's
cool.
when the mummies were around.
Wow.
Do you think that we can see a mummy? Let's go over to the night. Come on. They're fighting. Where's the mummy?
Oh, look at the little people there, right?
Oh, I see it. I see. Do
I
see
wish
that
you
one
could
with
buy
the
these.
tiny-
I wish you could buy the figures.
You could make one.
I see a mummy, guys. I see a mummy. I see
do?
a mummy. It has a tribe.
Where at?
Right there. Do you see the one with the tripod?
Show me.
Pretty sure. Do you see it?
The one with the staff.
Yeah, the one with the tripod.
Zoom in.
Right?
Where all those people gathered.
Uh-huh.
You see me with the staff.
Uh-huh.
Comment down below if you see it.
Yeah, comment down below if you see them.
Mm-hmm. But guys,
Okay, guys, we're gonna go look around some more. Come on.
we'll see.
So this is you write down. They have different questions, and this one says, "What do you want to take with you in the afterlife?" What are you gonna put?
My daddy and my mom.
That's so nice, Winnie. What are you gonna put on yours, Ira? What are you gonna take with you into the afterlife?
Something. I'm not gonna write my name.
Are you gonna tell us? No, you don't have to. The secret.
And
But you're gonna put it on the wall, right?
Pokemon cards.
Yeah. Maybe you could trade one with whatever god's there.
Yeah, maybe you can trade one with Poseidon.
I bet whatever.
With Poseidon.
Yeah.
Yep, my cats.
Nice.
I want to take my cats.
Oh yeah. Take the cats.
These are like miniature pencils.
Are they mummy pencils? They're pencils for mummies, right?
Because mummies have tiny itsy baby hands.
Yeah.
Did you know that? Do you see how small?
I do now.
Try.
We're about to take a prehistory journey.
That's what the sign says.
Guys,
What is this? Dinosaur stuff, right?
guys.
Oh my god.
Dun 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 dun. I just wanted to say that for fun, guys. Dun 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 dun. Guys, what's in here? Nothing.
Huh.
They took him out.
Hold on. It's the seafloor. So this is what the ocean looked like 600 million years ago.
Whoa. I don't have much, but guys. Whoa, we're underwater, guys. Look.
So guys, we'll see you at the next thing.
Guys, look at we're under.
Guys, look.
What does that do? What does that do, Ira?
Turns the lights on now.
Oh my god, do it again.
See?
Well, let's see that one here, and then there's one where
Down there.
like hidden dinos everywhere, right?
Yeah, don't drop your phone.
Yeah, no kidding. I see like 12 phones down there.
Are they real? They aren't real.
Light the dragonfly up.
They just
Oh,
made them
cool.
But they're real.
to look like the real thing.
Yeah, they're real.
What do you think, Winnie?
Cool. Guys, if you've been looking for that adventure.
Can we take a sneak peek over the side here? Look. This is what we're gonna see in a minute, right?
Guys, let's go down here.
Guys, we're heading there, right? Okay, let's take them down there.
I just got frozen again. But here's some more dinosaurs. It's my favorite, but it's dead.
Oh my
Guys, my
god.
favorite have to be
That's
dead.
just his head, right?
Because my favorite has to be dead. Look, and I got a stamp of him. Guys, look at
yeah.
it. It's running water, guys. It's scary. It's a real white.
Wow.
Let's go see some real dinosaur bones.
Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa. It's so tiny. Is it real? Is it real?
You know your favorite dinosaur? This is how big its brain was. Yeah, it was like this big.
They're really smart.
Guys, we're gonna go look. What's this all about right here? They have these people in cages.
They make people in cages, guys.
Are they gonna fossilize these people?
Yes.
It actually says right there what they're working on. Look, today's fossils, left side, middle, right side, and then it tells you what fossils they're actually working
from
on.
Utah?
Isn't that cool, Ira?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
So,
Well, we're gonna go to another exhibit here in a minute, right?
Mhm.
Okay, let's go.
see what was there. Brain. Guys, we're at the brains. Brains and
Wait, what is it, Ira? Come here. Tell me about it.
it's the brains and games and mazes.
What do you think it is?
It's like a thing where you have to like do mazes and stuff.
Wow.
This is too hard.
Well, I think we're just gonna be in here exploring for a few minutes, right?
And playing some games. Oh my god. What is this? Oh, you have to get it. I'm gonna plan.
Colored path maze. It says enter on the red path at the bottom center. Okay?
Okay.
And then it says at each white square, you must change the color. Okay? So you go to a white square. Go to the white square in front of you. Now you have to change the color.
Change it.
Follow the pattern red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow. Now go to the white square. And then go to blue. And your goal is to get to the center square, okay?
Then red. And then yellow. Then red. No, then blue.
Red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue. I think you
Shift to blue. You gotta go
Yeah.
down here. Okay, now blue. Now red. Now yellow. Now blue. Now red.
Okay, Ira, I think we're gonna do a lot of playing in here for
Yes! Yes!
You did it?
Yes! 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 I did it! Mom, I finished the maze. I did the maze.
High five, double high five. Woo. Oh, it says please don't hit others.
Okay. That's true. Okay, our kids went away. Can you send us off?
Guys, I'm gonna check out this illusion. So what are we supposed
What's
to
it say? It says, are the circles the same color? Are they, Ira?
No.
Are they the same color?
No.
Okay, grab the paddle down there. Let's see if they are or not. Are these circles the same color, guys? What do you guys think before we check it?
I don't know.
Are these circles right here the same color? Huh?
Guess.
Yes?
Okay. Ira said no. Oh my god, look at it.
Oh, same color.
They are?
Yeah, look. You can tell when you put that on there. That's
Oh my God.
crazy, right?
Yeah. What?
Alright, guys. I'm freaking out. I gotta get out of the illusion.
Oh man.
Hey guys, we're taking a break for lunch, and look what I got.
Oh, you got some good healthy food, Wynnie.
Yeah.
What is it?
Water, some of this watermelon cheese, and this is Mom's cheese because I don't like this type of cheese, and I got some cheese pizza.
Oh, you got pizza. Nice.
Most cheese.
Awesome. Let's see what Ira got for lunch. What did you get, bud?
I got a burger and some fries.
That burger looks good. Okay, guys. We'll see you at the next exhibit.
Hey guys, we're out mining now. We're in the mining. We're in the mining area, guys.
What's Ira's favorite thing?
Rocks. Whoa, Ira. What are these? Genuine crystals. What are these? Crystals. Crystals. It's crystals. No, what crystals are they? Snow crystals? Come on. Come on, guys. Guys, we forgot to do it. Yeah. We're up mining. It smells like dinosaur poo. What's like dinosaur poo? So guys, we're gonna explore and we'll see you when we're out. Oh, golden nuggets.
It's the biggest golden nugget that ever been found in Colorado.
biggest.
And those little tiny gold flecks are from where we live.
And then over here, more gold.
Wow.
This says 100 and
Idaho Springs, that big one, that's where, what's your friend's name?
Sky.
No, the one with 6 kids. Kaya. That's where Kaya lives, right
Oh
there.
yeah. Maybe she found it
Maybe she did find it.
and then bring it here and then
Yeah.
said, "This is for my land." Here you go, guys. I know, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys.
oh my god.
Can you breathe? I think he needs some CPR. Okay. I think
Did I fall over on the
he's just fainting. Don't worry, he's just fainting. He's just fainting because it's too many
Call for help.
Okay, he's up. Are you okay, buddy? Oh my god. Ooh, I find those top ones on a daily basis.
Which ones?
Those top ones.
You find those?
Like small ones.
Oh.
I do too. Ooh, sometimes
Well, I love pyrite. It like kind of flakes off. See it, that square one, that cube?
Hurry.
That's so cool.
Whoa, guys, what is that? Guys. What? Look at
It's all like mining theme, huh?
it's a, yeah, because this is a mining room.
Yeah, that's cool.
Look at his stuff. Don't switch it on here. So, we're just amethyst.
Oh, that's not really good amethyst.
Axe.
This isn't a really good amethyst. It's so light.
Axe
And
and
it doesn't
wire.
have- It has lots of points, but so it
Look
makes
how
it
cool this is, Ira.
expensive and stuff.
Oh my god, look at it's a whole bed.
Oh my god,
Oh,
that is
amethyst.
amazing.
I know a lot
No,
about
that goes
amethyst.
30 pounds.
Calcite.
Look at how deep that goes. Okay, let's keep looking. Where's Mom? She's not lost. We're in the same place.
Hey guys, come here. Let's see them at the next exhibit. We'll run them through the space exhibit next.
Oh, guys. We're in space. You aren't supposed to see that.
Where are we going?
This way.
Wait, what is this? What's this exhibit?
Space.
We're going into space?
Come on, this way. This way looks cool. It's gonna be scary. But guys, hold your breath. Because we're in no gravity. I'm joking.
Wait, I'm starting to float.
Whoa, guys, look it. Come on. Space rovers, guys. Woo. Oh, guys, look at this. Space rovers. Oh, there's ducks in space.
These are just plain paper with a printer. Look,
What? It's still cool.
guys, look right there, and then it goes to.
Wow, we can read fun books.
So no one will steal it.
What's it about?
Space rovers.
Whoa.
Mars.
Guys, it's over here. Whoa. Whoa, what the fuck? How is this one? This one. Look it. I know. We'll show you when we're there. When we're somewhere. We're in space.
Oh my God, I'm floating.
What is this, Ira?
Where are we, Ira?
Hey.
I don't know where we are.
Did you guys talk to us?
Space.
We're in space.
Guys, come on, we have to go this way.
Let's just exit. We can exit the space room. Whoa,
Watch
Daddy,
out behind you, Wynnie.
you're upside down.
I know.
Whoa, now we're forward. Guys, look at the star.
What is this place? It's so dark. Can you talk to us, Wynnie, please?
So this is just space. I think. Oh, but we have to exit. Whoa! Hi. We're in a spaceship. Press the button.
We're in space. I don't know how to work this.
with me? Come on, guys. I'm going on a space jump. Guys, I'm going on a space jump. Guys, come here.
Ask the captain. Ira, what about this thing over here, Ira? Look.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
And we charge. Oh no.
Should I get out of the way?
Aliens are erupting. Come on. I'm the safest place. I know where a safe place is, guys.
Captain, what do we do?
Play area. A play area. Should we go in?
How do you get in there?
And you go through here.
Is there people sleeping? What?
It's the bedroom.
Go in there.
But I want to show you guys something also. Come here.
Okay.
So my press the emergency button. Okay, this is the whole shit. Here's a window you can see outside. But let's go in the playground. Guys, come on, let's show you. You can see. Come on, look it.
Talk to us through here, Wynnie.
So guys, I'm like in this little
Wynnie.
space house. I'm in this little cool space house. It's so comfy actually. So guys, let's see. I can see everywhere. Wow. Okay, stop.
Right here, we'll go right here. See?
Oh, we're in space. Okay. Hey guys. Ready? We'll take you to the next part of space. Whoa. I found something amazing. Over here. Oh, I got. There's this wall. What was the game? Hey guys, we're end of the video. Wah, wah, wah. And we're going home.
It
We're
was fun
sorry.
coming- It was fun coming to the what? Denver
Science
Nature.
and Ancient Nature Space Rocks Museum.
We're tired. It's time to go home, so make sure to
Like and subscribe. And always have a great adventure everywhere. Like here in
Good job.
space. Bye.
bye.